Most of our patients do travel from out of town for surgery, whether it be domestically or internationally. One of the main questions they ask me is, how long do I need to stay local following my procedure?
So the answer is obviously it depends on the procedure. If you're having upper body work like a breast surgery or an arm lift, it can be 2 to 3 weeks. If you are having a mommy makeover, it's usually about 3 to 4 weeks. And if you are having a body lift, it may be about 4 weeks. I'm somewhat particular about that because it's really important to recover. Half the surgery is the surgeon, the other half is the recovery. And I always tell patients that this is a team effort and we have to work together. Sometimes patients are not prepared for surgery. Sometimes they come here by themselves and they struggle. Because when you're having surgery and you're completely alone, not only physically you're limited, but also emotionally and mentally you don't have the assistance and support that you need. Having your mother, your sister, your brother, your husband, one of your teenagers there makes a huge difference. Just to have somebody to talk to, just to have somebody to look after you, make sure that you're feeding properly, make sure that you're walking, make sure that your drains are being taken care of, make sure that you are doing your dressing changes. That has a huge impact on your surgery. The surgery is not just about, getting a great result. We can guarantee that virtually. And that's why I take pictures in the operating room to show that over and over and over. But the other half, I have no control over it. So what I'm trying to say is that recovery is just as important as the surgery. You can get the perfect surgery, and if you don't recover for the right reason, whether because you're doing too much or whether you're pulling too much, you may not have the best result. That's why we spend so much time trying to educate patients preoperatively about their surgeries. This is not a breast augmentation that you have the surgery and it's easy. Body contouring surgeries, you really have to follow instructions to get the best results. And if you do, and when patients do, they really get a great result afterwards because now the surgery and the recovery both were done optimally.